Today we're talking about lighting, in particular garden lighting. We've got different forms of lighting that you can use outdoors, maybe security lighting, mood lighting, and also just to highlight certain areas within your own garden. Today we're talking about mood lighting. Well, the customer would like to lighten up a fence, and this fence is quite dark in the evenings and just gives you a better depth of perception when you light up the fence. Today we're going to be using this particular lamp. It is a garden spike light using a GU10 globe, which is a fairly low wattage lamp, which means it's ideal for a garden. Doesn't use too much electricity. You can switch it on and off like you want to, or maybe leave it running all night long. Well, with a few simple items, you can get the same effect in your garden. To complete the task of installing these lamps or lights into your garden, you're going to need a few simple tools. You're going to need a star and a flat screwdriver, side cutters, a wire stripper, a bladed knife. You're also going to need a couple of garden spike lights and GU10 LED globes. Before that, you'll need your electrician to install 3-core cable as well as PVC piping. So before I got started on my project, I got my Sparky or my electrician to install the PVC conduit piping as well as the 3-core cabling and exposing that for me to install my lamps. Now, all that I need to do now is put those lamps in place. But before you get started, and this is a very important fact, make sure that you switch your mains off at the DB board. So in order to connect your garden lights, you're going to have 3-core cable that's been exposed. The center, as you can see there, is a bare exposed copper cable. That's your earth, black is your neutral, and your red is your live cable. Just strip that back about 1 centimeter on each of them. That is going to be connected onto your lamp. So once your cables are exposed, let's put them into the light itself. Take off the bottom of base, and then you're going to put this weatherproof cap through the cable first, or over the cable first. You can put your cable through the weatherproof seal. Pull that all the way out so that it's nicely exposed. And now, remember, red is live, so that will go into the L part of the connector. Black is neutral, and it goes into the other side. Tighten that all up, fairly simple. Put it all back inside the casing and seal your lamp off. I've chosen this part of the fence to start with our first light. Well, we're going to put it at the base of the fence, in the middle of the palisade fencing, and it's going to shine upward and give us a nice mood lighting along the fence. So let's get started. I'll show you where we're going to put it in. Our project in the garden is sorted. Now all you need to do is get down to Boulders and get it done.
Everything I used in this clip is available at your local Boulders. For more tips and information, visit our website, our social media links, or check out our YouTube channel.